Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Zoho CRM custom modules after renaming mistakes, beginner guide step by step clearly. To restore Zoho CRM custom modules after renaming mistakes, begin by logging into your Zoho CRM account. Once logged in, navigate to the top right corner of the dashboard. Click on the setup icon, represented by a wrench or gear. In the setup menu, look for the customization section. Under this section, select Modules and Fields. You will now see a list of all your custom modules. Identify the module you mistakenly renamed. Click on the module to access its settings. Next, locate the Edit button or option. In the Edit menu, find the field where you set the module name. Change the mistaken name back to its original or desired name. After adjusting the name, carefully review any additional settings to ensure everything is correct. Once satisfied, scroll down and click on the Save button to apply your changes. To verify the changes, return to the main dashboard. Check if the module name has reverted to your preferred choice. If the module is still not displaying correctly, refresh your browser. Alternatively, you can log out and log back into your account. If issues persist, consider checking the module's permissions and visibility settings. Make sure that the module is enabled for your profile and others who need access. Lastly, always keep a backup of your customization settings for future reference. This will help you avoid similar renaming mistakes in the future. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.